Always good to start the day with a 100% battery, especially when we're going to the desert. Let's do it.
I need gas.
Alright, fine, we'll be getting gas first. Money and water too. Oh. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back here from Djerba. We are going back to Tunisia today, to a place called Tataouine. It's not a planet from Star Wars.
Move along.
Even though a lot of scenes of Star Wars were filmed in Tunisia. And I guess the place we're going today gave the name for the planet. So we're going to Tataouine. It will be in the desert, and I hope we can check out some old Berber villages, and let's see.
We're leaving Djerba Island and I absolutely loved it to bits. I don't want to leave, but the circus must go on. It is a beauty of a day. Blue sky, no clouds, as per the usual here in Africa. We're going into the desert, which Marc's very excited about. I'm not a big fan, but we'll see how it goes. Toot toot.
Yeah, but first of all we need to find a gas station and get some water, get some cash, all this kind of stuff. Hello, hi. Alright guys, we're now coming to the bridge that goes to Tunisia. And there's again the police again. Where do I have to stop? Huh? All good? Yeah. I don't know who he was shouting at. So this bridge brings us back to Tunisia now. Okay. Just get some cash out. Oh. Here's your cash. It is a little bit annoying to always get cash out, but this is just how it goes here. Everybody takes just cash.
A sandwich.
Yeah, let's get a sandwich.
I've already ordered.
Yeah, very good.
It's under control.
Very good. We now have water and money. We need gas. Maree needs petrol. Yeah. So a sandwich?
Sandwich!
Oh, nice. It was only 10 dinar for 2 sandwiches. Holding up good. Holding up good.
And he asked me to buy this electric. Because he's like, I heard it and I didn't hear any sound.
Yeah, it's awesome, right?
I should have sent him over to you to have a little chit chat.
You realize we only do this whole detour because of you needing petrol?
No, I was more hungry than the Jimmy.
Oh yeah, okay.
I didn't eat this. I ate this morning at 5 a.m. before work and then
Right.
through.
Go to the desert?
Yeah, well, let's hurry.
Let's go. According to the maps, this is supposed to be water. Oh, now there's the water. I can see the water. It's pretty dried out. But here's some water. Thank you. There? Yeah. No problem. We arrived quite early here in Tataouine, and there's plenty of old cities to check out around the area in the desert. Maree's having a little nap now, Eve is having a charge, and later we might check out some old Berber villages.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so change of plans. There is a charger here in Tataouine, since it's probably getting already a little bit too late to go further into the desert. We're just going to charge Eve at the charger. Let's see if that works. It's not a total energy charger. Look at that.
Is it not working?
Doesn't seem to be working.
And it's the only one here.
Ah, the man activates it.
Oh.
That's so cool. Well, that is awesome. A Tesla charger. The man in the gas station had to activate it. It doesn't cost anything. Very good. We quickly charged to go to a nice Berber town called Chenini. I didn't really need to charge long at this Tesla charger. It's good to know that it works. I basically wanted to check out if it works. So we do have time to check out this old Berber town and maybe also find something to eat for Maree. Let's do this. It does look really cool, and it is much bigger than I expected. It's probably too late for us now to go up there and check everything out, so we have to come back. Also, I have a hungry Maree which is not good. Are you hungry? Do you need to eat now?
Yes, now.
Now? We're checking this out tomorrow. But I'm glad we came here for sunset. It was awesome. Look at that. Look at that scenery, guys. Perfect way to end the video for tonight. I hope you liked it. I'm glad I found a charger, like basically in the desert, which is like insane. And it works. We'll be coming back to this place, and I know there's plenty of other places like this here in the area, so we'll go and check it out for sure. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Want to say goodbye? Tschüss! You can take off the helmet now. Good. Alright. Wow.
I'm happy now.
That's more like it.